Imagine waking up to the irresistible aroma of freshly made Belgian waffles, perfectly golden and fluffy. The Chefman rotating Belgian waffle maker makes this dream a reality. With its unique rotating design, you get even cooking and that delightful crispiness on every side. The non-stick plates ensure your waffles slide right out, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the adjustable temperature control lets you customize your waffles to your liking, whether you prefer them light and fluffy or crispy and golden. And let's not forget the built-in indicator lights that tell you exactly when your waffles are ready. This isn't just a waffle maker, it's your ticket to breakfast bliss. Enjoy endless topping possibilities, from fresh fruit to whipped cream, and elevate your brunch game effortlessly. With the Chefman Waffle Maker, every morning can feel like a special occasion. Buy now, link in the description.